All right, hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today's going to be kind of a review day. We're just going to break up the regular routine lesson on arrays here and do some sample AEP questions that cover all the topics that we've learned so far. I think it's good to review from time to time. And so there's going to be 7 questions right here in this puzzle piece. It'll look a little bit different once I publish this and have it finalized, but it should look roughly the same. So you'll do the sample AEP questions here on this puzzle piece, and then for any that you get wrong, it'll tell you the ones you get wrong or not, and then watch the help videos that correspond with the ones you got wrong, right? So please remember that you don't have to score 100% on these questions, especially when we're just learning. If you get 50% on the AP test, that's great. Same thing for now. If you're scoring anywhere from 40 to 60%, that's pretty decent. But again, if you get any wrong, learn from your mistakes because there's little tricks in these questions, and like once you get the hang of them and hang of the tricks, goes a lot better. So please, 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 any that you get wrong, watch the help videos. They're pretty short, and that should be it for this activity. All right, good luck.